folks, welcome to my How to Watch channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your computer work fast. When you get new computer, you will be satisfied with work speed and performance. And when it gets old of long time use, and things are changing like you are using high configuration software and programs, your computer surely gets slow. So today in this video I'm going to show you some tips to make computer work faster. The best way is to back up your computer if it's highly affected of harmful caused by virus. See the link below for how to format your computer. To make your computer perform fast, you need to uninstall unused programs which are slowing down and taking space in your computer. Go to Control Panel and then click on Uninstall the program. Select a program you don't need anymore. Click Uninstall. Click on the Start icon and type msconfig into the search box. Click on the Startup tab. Uncheck programs that you don't want loading on startup. Go to Run just by pressing Window plus R key on your keyboard and start typing %temp%. Press Enter. Now delete all files inside temp folder. Defragmentation, or defrag, is a maintenance tool that moves your files into an organized and sequential order. This makes searching for files and accessing them much quicker, so your PC will feel much more responsive. Open the Start screen or Start menu and type defrag. Open Disk Defragmenter, optimize drives and check when the last defragmentation was. Turn on automatic defragmentation if it's off. Run Analyze, and if the results show a fragmented drive, run Optimize. Download CC Cleaner and use it. See below link for how to use CC Cleaner. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.